Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Litecoin from Trust Wallet to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has become even more streamlined, making it easier for you to manage your assets. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your holdings or a seasoned trader optimizing your portfolio, this guide will have you transferring Litecoin in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Binance apps or websites ready. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app on your phone or computer. If you haven't already, log in securely using your PIN, Face ID, or whatever method you set up. Once inside, navigate to your Litecoin wallet. You'll see your balance. Great job holding onto that, Lieutenant Colonel. Next, tap on the Litecoin asset to open its details. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. Before you proceed, double-check the network. Litecoin uses its own blockchain, so ensure it's set to the Litecoin network to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, copy the recipient address. Head over to Binance. Log in to your Binance account and go to the Wallet section. Select Deposit and choose Litecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy that address carefully. It's your key to success. Go back to Trust Wallet, paste the Binance address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to network upgrades, but always confirm to keep costs down. Hit Send or Confirm on Trust Wallet, and you'll be prompted to verify the transaction with your wallet's security features. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Finally, head back to Binance and check your wallet to see if the Litecoin has arrived. If everything went smoothly, you're all set. Remember, always transfer a small test amount first if you're unsure. Thanks for watching. Crypto is all about staying safe and smart. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one.